So today on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to check your result as a student. First thing first, all we need to do is type www.cloudnote on our search engine, and it will take us directly to CloudNote's official website. This is where you can log in from. All you need to do is to put in your unique ID and your password, and once you're done, you click login, and automatically it takes you to your user interface on CloudNote. Takes you to your space, takes you to your interface, takes you to your learning space on CloudNote. Now, what do we need to do from here? All we need to do is to click on report sheet, select the year, select the term, select the assessment, and we click on check result, and automatically my result is being displayed for me. This is just a simple step on how you can check your result on CloudNote, and this result can be printed out and also can be downloaded as PDF. So if you're a student, this is how you check your result on your learning space on CloudNote. This is how you check your result in CloudNote. See you in the next video.